Good evening, students. Welcome back to Mission Noda Academy. And now we are going to continue our yesterday's lesson, number system. So, firstly, we will ask the question what we learned in our previous class. Siddhi, Siddhi is going to tell us. Yes, Siddhi.
Yes, ma'am. We learned our yesterday's previous class, seven-digit numbers and nine-digit numbers. You have given us also exercise to write the following numbers in words and in numeral form.
Okay, very good. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, you
Yes.
were you was explaining perfect numbers.
Okay, I will explain it. Okay, students, now today we are going to learn international system of numeration. Basically, there are two numeration systems, Indian system and international system. So we have learned Indian system. So now we are going to learn international system. Firstly, write the heading International System Numeration. International System of Numeration. Okay. Turn on your cameras, please. Write this. Write the heading. The international system of numeration is followed by most of countries of the world. The international system is followed by most of countries of the world. Indian number system is followed by only India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan, etc. These few countries follow Indian number system, but there are so many countries which follow international number system. Okay? So write this point. The international system of numeration is followed by most of countries of the world. Write this point. The international system of numeration is followed by most of the countries. Now we will understand what's the international system of numeration. For example, there is given us 912 millions 912 millions 600 59,837. The number is, how we will pronounce it? 912,659,837. So it's the exact example that we have seen in Indian system of numeration. Yes. Now we will see and one more example in billions. The first example is up to only millions. Now we are going to see the example up to billions. Okay, the example is example 2193425133 commas. Okay. The example is 221. Okay. 2,193,425,133. Okay. Now, how we will write it in the box in the columns? Billions. 2 billions. So 2 in billions column. 1,425,133. Yes. 2,193,425,133. It's the number. So you have to draw this column with these examples. Okay, write it. Okay, Mangesh, you have any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. The screen is not seeing properly on the hundredth place. Is it 8 number?
Yes, it's 8.
Okay.
Okay, Asmita Vaman. On your camera.
Okay.
Ashmita Vaman, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you new?
No, ma'am. I was today.
Yes. Where are you from? Is it written? On your cameras, please. Okay, next. Relation between Indian and international system. Okay, international system is not a very important point for us. So we will take shortcut on this. So let's see the relation between Indian and international number system. Okay. Numbers. So here is given numbers 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore, and 100 crore. So, in Indian numeration system, 1 is called 1. 1 is called, it's on ones place or units place. 1 is an unit. 10 is 10 called as 10. 100 is called as 100. 1000. When 1 has 3 zeros, it's called as 1000. When 1 has 4 zeros, it's called as 10,000. Then 10 lakh, when 1 is added with 6 zeros, sorry, 5 zeros, it's called lakh. Then 10 lakh, when 6 zeros are there, it's called 10 lakh. 1 crore. 1 crore is when there are 7 zeros after 1. 10 crore when there are 8 zeros after 1. And 100 crore when there are, usually we didn't use 100 crore in Indian number system. We use the formula of, in Indian system, 2, 2, 2. Here we will write here. 2, 2, 2, 3. Means in this third one, here, there are units, tens, and hundreds. In the second column, there are 1000 and 10,000. In this third column, there are lakh and 10 lakh, and in fourth column, there are crore and 10 crore. So, as well as in international system, 1 is called 1, 10 is called 10. One is only there is 1, so it's called 1. If 1 is surrounded with 1 0, then it's called as 10. When there are 2 zeros, so it's as 100. 3 zeros, 1000. 4 zeros, it's called as 10,000. But in this international system, there is also 100,000, but it's not in Indian number system. This 100,000 in international system is called lakh in Indian number system. So 100,000, okay, means 1 lakh, means lakh. Okay. This lakh, 10 lakh means 1 million. 10 lakh is 1 million. Then 10 million means 1 crore. Then 10 crore means 100 million. Yes? Is this crazy? Yes. 100 million, 10 million, 100 million, and 1 billion. Then after 1 billion, then 10 billion, 100 billion, and 1 trillion. But it's very lengthy. So we will learn up to 1 billion only. 100 crore means 1 billion. Okay. Now, it's understood or not? If anyone have doubt, please make the emoji of hand. Yes, Asmita, you have any doubt?
Write this.
Yes,
We have to write this in your copy.
yes. Yes, students, write this, make the column and write the heading relation between Indian and international numeration system. Okay, on your cameras. Viren Pawar, Pratik, Abhinav. Okay, students, write this and on your cameras, or I will remove you from the class. And type your name on your profile. Yes, Abhinav करके. Pratik. Pratik Ubale. Unmute yourself. Apurva Jadhav, are you
Yes,
writing?
ma'am. Ma'am, my writing is done.
Okay, then sit properly. Don't sleep.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it done? Okay. I hope your writing is done. Now next. The next topic is Roman numbers. We learned about India's number system, international number system, and now we are going to learn Roman numbers. There is a topic Roman numbers in our number system. The numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9 are used writing numbers. These numerals are Indian and in organizing is there. And the Arabs precede them up and spread to Europe. Therefore, these are called Hindu-Arabic numeral system. This is not only system available, one of the early system of numeration still in common use today was developed by Romans and is called the Roman numeral system. Okay. The Roman numeral system is from Europe and is developed by Romans. Romans were ancient peoples. So it's called as Roman numbers. You don't write this all, only write the heading Roman numbers. Only write this point. Roman number system. One of the early systems of numeration still in common use today was developed by Romans and is called the Roman numeral system. It's not for writing, it's just given for you. On your cameras. मंगेश कोकाटे, Asmita Vaman, Abhinav Khadke. And who is this? Oppo. Yes, Abhinav Khadke, unmute yourself. Yes, Abhinav Khadke.
मम्मी ते बॅटरी इज रनिंग कमिंग.
Okay, this is written. The system is still used in many places. For example, we can see its use in numbering of different volumes or parts of books, numbers of chapters, numbers of issues of magazines, numbers on clock faces denoting ranks in the class, etc. Okay. Now we will, in this section, we shall learn about reading and writing of Roman numerals. So, Roman numbers is a basic part of number system and you all have learned Roman numbers in your second and third class. Second, third, fourth, में आपने Roman numbers, this chapter you have learned. These are 7 decent symbols in Roman numeral system. These symbols along with corresponding Hindu-Arabic numerals are given below. These are Roman numbers and Hindu-Arabic numeral system means Indian number system. Hindu-Arabic numeral system means Indian number system. Okay. Roman numerals and Hindu-Arabic numerals. So, one, this I. In Roman numbers, 1 is represented like I. It's I in Roman numbers. 5 is denoted as V. 10 is denoted as X. 50 is denoted as L. 100 is denoted as C. 500 is denoted as D and 1000 is denoted as M. It's not K. M. 1000 is denoted as M. So you have to learn IVXLCDM. Say with me, IVXLCDM. It's the short form or it's the form for learning. IVXLCDM. Or there is a trick, but from this decreasing order, my dear cat loves extra vitamin ingrediently. My dear cat loves extra vitamin ingrediently. Okay? You have to learn that like this or use the trick. IVXLCDM. So, write this. There are 7 decent symbols up to this. Okay. Write this in your copies. Yes, Archit. You have any doubt?
No, ma'am, that is, ma'am, before that is, before you have written M, that is K. So,
Yes, Mangesh.
Ma'am, we have learned it already.
Okay, it's for your revision and there is a task on it, so you have to learn this. I am
Ma'am,
teaching.
I have learned.
Okay. Write this in your copies, please. It's last warning for all students on your cameras or I will remove you. Viren,
Yes, ma'am.
are you eating?
No, ma'am.
Right. Are you writing or not?
Teacher, my writing is done.
The discussion. Kanishk. Kanishk, on your camera. Okay, it's done now. Okay. Write the heading Roman numbers up to 100. Write the heading Roman numbers up to 100. And write this systematically. Write this. All students write this. Okay, write this systematically in your notebook. I will read it. 1 is represented by I, 2 double I, 3 triple I, 4 IV, 5 V, 6 VI, 7 V double I, 8 V triple I, 9 IX, and 10X, 11 XI, 12 X double I, 13 X triple I, 14 XIV, 15 XV, 16 XVI, 17 XV double I, 18 XV triple I, 19 XIX, and 20 XX. Now 21 double XI, 22 double X double I, 23 double X triple I, 24 double XIV, 25 double XV, 26 double XVI, 27 double XV double I, 28 double XV triple I, 29 double XIX, 30 triple X, 31 triple XI, 32 triple X double I, 33 triple X triple I, 34 triple X IV, 35 triple X V, 36 triple X VI, 37 triple X V double I, 38 triple X V triple I, 39 triple X IX, and 40 XL. Advait? Yes.
Ma'am, we have wrote it already.
फिर भी आपको लिखना है, इट्स फॉर प्रैक्टिस। And write it fast. We have to write up to 100 in today's session only. We have only 15 minutes, so write fast. Archit, you have done this?
Yes, ma'am.
आपने अभी इसे लिखा है?
Ma'am,
आताच्या पेजवर लिहि ना सगळ्यात पहिल्यापासून.
Why are you not writing now?
I'm writing.
Write. Yes. Is this any doubt? Who is this? XIOMI. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, this repeated.
Yes, I know it's repeating, but it's for your revision.
Yes,
So-
ma'am.
Why are you not writing?
Ma'am, clear writing.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
On your cameras. Okay, is it done? The writing is done. Now next. 41 to 80. So write this fast. So 41 XLI, 42 XL, 43 XL triple I, 44 XLIV, 45 XLV, 46 XLVI, 47 XLVII, 48 XLV triple I, 49 XLIX, and 50 L. 51 Li, 52 Lii, 53 Lii, 54 Liv, 55 Lv, 56 LVI, and 57 LVII, 58 LVIII, 59 LIX, and 60 LX. 61 LXI, 62 LXII, 63 LXIII, 64 LXIV, 65 LXV, 66 LXVI, 67 LXVII, 68 LXV, 68 LXVIII, 69 LXIX, 70 LXX. 71 LXXI, 72 LXXII, 73 LXXIII, 74 LXXIV, 75 LXXV, 76 LXXVI, 77 LXXVII, 78 LXXVIII, 79 LXXIX, 80 LXXX. Write it fast. Abhinav, are you writing? Yes, Abhinav.
First only, so he written, that's why I'm not writing. And I was gone for 2 days or 3 days holiday. So when I come, my book was not getting I. So I make other diary. but today I am not reaching it, so I am not writing.
I want your copy and write it after the class.
Ma'am, I returned it first only.
But it's for practice, so write it. Okay? Okay, is it done? The writing is done? You can write after the class. We have minimum time, so write this fast from 81 to 100. 81 L triple X I, 82 L triple X double I, 83 L triple X triple I, 84 L triple X IV, 85 L triple X V, 86 L triple X VI, 87 L triple X V double I, 88 L triple X V triple I, 89 L triple X IX, and 90 XC, 90 XC, 91 XCI, 92 XC double I, 93 XC triple I, 94 XCIV, 95 XCV, 96 XCVI, 97 XCV double I, 98 XCV triple I, 99 XCIX, and 100 C. Write it fast. Write this fast. After this class, there is our language class too. Okay, is it done? Now you have homework. Make important like write or make it by yourself. 100, after 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850, 900, and 950,000. You have to make the chart like this in your notebook, and it's your homework. So do the homework and send the photo of your homework on our WhatsApp group. Now there's the class of language.